Hi students, good morning to one and all. My dear students, today's session I will explain about the OSI reference model. OSI reference model in the computer networks. OSI reference model. My dear students, OSI expansion, abbreviation, Open System Interconnection reference model. So, Open System Interconnection reference model. Actually, my dear students, this OSI reference model having the 7 layers. How many layers? 7 layers. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, application layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So totally it's having the 7 layers. Physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Okay, there are 7 layers. Now I'll write one by one. Okay. So it's having the how many layers? 7 layers. So what is the first one? Physical layer. What is the second one? Data link layer. What is the next one? Network layer. What is the next one? Transport layer. Then what is the next one? Session layer. What is the next one? Presentation layer. So the final one. Okay, application layer. It is also called as a desktop layer. Okay, I will explain. First one is physical layer. So before that, my dear students, all of you carefully observe. Okay, I think these three, this physical layer, data link layer, network layer, so these are comes under the hardware layers. Hardware layers. Then next one is this transport layer is heart of the OSI reference model. It is the transport layer is the heart of OSI. Then remaining layer, so session layer, presentation layer, application layer. So these are called as these three layers called as software layers. Okay, my dear students, all of you understand. Then next, first I will explain about the physical layer. So it contains information in the form of bits. So this first one is physical layers. This is the lowest layer. In the OSI reference model, it is the lowest layer. So here it contains information in the form of bits. That means it's having the zeros and ones. Physical layer is the lowest layer. Means first point is lowest layer. So what happened? It contains information in the form of zeros and ones. It contains information in the form of bits. Bits means zeros and ones. That is about the physical layer. Then next, my students, second one is data link layer. So these zeros and ones, what happened? If we transmit to the data link layer. Okay. Now I will explain. Second layer is data link layer. Then I will explain the data link layer. Here, my dear students, this data link layer receive the packets from the network layer. This data link layer, what happened? Receive the packets from the network layer. So this data link layer receive the packets from the network layer. Network layer receive packets. Receive packets from the network layer. Receive the packets from the network layer. Receive the packets from the network layer. Then, my dear students, this data link layer again what happened? So it's having two controls. One is logical link control and media access control. So it's having the two controls. What is the first one? Logical link control. Logical link control. Okay. The next one is media access control. MAC. MAC. MAC means media access control. Media access control. Okay. The next I will explain about the next one is network layer. So network layer work for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in the different networks. Other located in the different networks. So network layer is very, very important. Okay. What is network layer? Next one is network layer. So the network layer works for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in the different networks. Other located in the different networks. Okay. So it is works for the transmission of data from one host to the other located in the different networks. Different networks. Okay, my dear students. Okay. So these three layers, physical layer, data link layer, network layer. These three layers. Okay, what happened is also called as a hardware layers. It is also called as a hardware layer. The next one is transport layer. It is the heart of the OSI, open system interconnection. The fourth one is what is the fourth layer? Transport layer. It is the heart of the open system interconnection. Now I will explain about the transport layer. Now I will explain about the transport layer. Transport layer provides services to application layer. Transport layer provides services to the application layer and takes services from network layer. Okay. So transport layer provides services to application layer and take services from the network layer. Okay.